I wasn't ready.
I wasn't ready.
I was out hunting alone on a trap line.
It was fire season, and we needed to evacuate quickly.
A storm came in and I became disoriented and lost my way. I wasn't prepared to spend the night in the bush. I was lucky.
I got in the car and grabbed what I could, but I didn't have anything I needed. I had no water, no food, and I ran out of gas. We were stranded on the road with nothing. Thank goodness for some good Samaritans who provided us with the basic necessities.
Preparedness happens when we all work together towards one goal. These are the actions we take to get ready for the unexpected. Most of us prepare for the unforeseen every day without even thinking about it. Packing a bag for the baby, filling the car with gas when the weather is bad, or setting up a first aid kit while on vacation. These actions are often automatic, and we want 72-hour preparedness to be automatic. You can set yourself up for success in any situation by having what you need when you need it. When the time comes and an emergency happens, we need to learn the who, what, when, where, why, and how of being prepared, because in an emergency, there's no time. We need to educate everyone so we can all be 72-hour ready.
Who needs to be 72-hour ready? Everyone.
What would you need to be 72-hour ready in an emergency at home or on the road? Food, water, blankets, radio, flashlight, clothing, candles, medication, important documents, phone charger, battery pack, and extra fuel.
When will I need to get myself and my family ready?
It's always best to be ready before an emergency. These steps can save time if the unexpected were to occur. Preparing your 72-hour kit is never a waste.
Where will I go if I can't stay home?
Remember, the goal is to stay safe.
Stay tuned by listening to the radio and your local TV station. Follow emergency updates and be prepared to leave. Follow Lacombe County online and have your 72-hour kit ready.
Why do I need to be 72-hour ready?
Will you have time to get yourself ready when the minutes count? Will you be able to think clearly and gather everything you need? There is no time to waste when an emergency is approaching. That's why you need to be 72-hour ready. I'm ready. Are you?
How do I get 72-hour ready?
Being 72-hour ready means knowing the risks. What are your hazards? Are there any emergency warnings or advisories? Are you safe?
Making a plan. Develop an emergency plan to save time. Have your 72-hour kit ready. Practice your plan. Get familiar with what to do, where to go, and what you may need in an emergency.
Have your 72-hour kit ready. There is no one way to make an emergency kit, but there are basics that everyone needs to be ready. Water, warmth, food, first aid, light, radio. 72-hour readiness can be as easy as who, what, when, where, why, and how. If we work together, we can all be 72-hour ready.
I'm prepared, you're prepared, we're all prepared. 72 hours ready.